in particular. Being up close with one of the biggest predators in the world is really something thrilling, and being able to study them, see their behavior and all is very something that everyone should at least feel one time in their life. I think I had one of the best experience so far in my life, and all the knowledge I had, whether it be with redwood sharks, about the tidal life, about the dolphins or whatever, all something I will try to keep as much as possible in my memory. And I think I didn't really know what to go forward, but I think that it really opened my mind to the SeaWorld.
Initially, I wasn't really sure exactly what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to work with sharks, but I wasn't really sure what angle. But working here and seeing all the cool things that they do, like the beach cleanups and educating people and telling them how important conservation is, I sort of want to work in conservation and education. So sort of talk to like young kids and high school kids about the ecological significance of, you know, all of marine life and how imperative they are to the functionality of the oceans and why we need to look after them.
I learned, like being here with Oceans, doing this practical, I've learned so much, things that I wouldn't have learned if I was just like going on my everyday life. Hence, I want to pursue environmental education, bringing this to people.
So I came into Oceans Research thinking, what do I want to do in my career? I know what I'm interested in. I love working with sharks. I really want to do something with conservation, but I wasn't sure if that was more research or education based. And Oceans Research has had the best program that was the most diverse, and I really feel I've learned so many skills, whether that's in the field or analyzing data. I really feel confident in my skill base now, and I can take that back to my university or any jobs in the future. And I love it here.
We would learn boat skills. I learned how to skipper a boat briefly. I learned how to take care of animals in an aquarium, learned how to do tidal surveys, all these cool different things that are really going to help me later on in life. And the best thing I've really gotten out of this internship is a direct path I want to take once I graduate. So since I didn't have much field research experience, I didn't know what I wanted to do when I graduate in a couple of years. So now that I've been able to go out and experience all these different aspects in the field, I kind of know what I want to do once I graduate.
Everything that we've done throughout this internship, as far as all the data collections and different methods and analysis of all of the data that we did collect, will really help in my future with getting into grad schools and possibly doing a PhD, and even just working in the marine biology field with all the connections I've made.